Hey, hi. In this video, I'm going to talk about simple scope. Maybe you're wondering if this will work for you or it won't work for you. Okay, so we're going to really look at hotel pool owners, what they have to say when they used simple scoop. On the Facebook ad that I saw, simple scoop actually says it includes oxidizing shock, algicide, clarifier, scale preventer, stain inhibitor. Okay, so I did a research to find out what pool owners have to say about this, and I did it on different communities, Reddit, Facebook, as we're going to see. Okay, so they say it takes 2 minutes every week, and they will say this will actually make your water 100% perfect with locked balance without needing expensive ingredients, other expensive treatments. Okay, so simple scoop will eliminate straight urine, oil, etc. And they say it works for all types of swimming pool types. Okay, so we're going to see how true this is, and I got this from a Facebook video where they was actually describing how kind of what it does. I tried to find them on Amazon, but they haven't actually uploaded the. I think the product is not yet on Amazon. So what I did, I went to Reddit, but the problem is with Reddit, I couldn't find people who had bought the product themselves. So I really wanted to see what what people say who have bought the product and are using it. So I landed on different communities on Facebook, and I saw actually different people posting the before and after. Uh, okay, it was a little bit crowded, doesn't show well in the pic. Okay, but they're showing like before and after. These are real people. These are not fake accounts, or then they are not even new accounts. They are old accounts. When you visit them, they are real people, and they bought these products. Okay, some of them may be what I realized, maybe some of them were using different measurements when they are putting in. For example, someone said I put like initial four scoops in the last Saturday, and my pool does look clearer. But I think simple scoop usually recommends like two. So others I saw they're putting in like four. You know, this one says I just put in two scoops. I'll update you in a few days. I think this was not happy, Kenneth. So there's communities where like you find people posting the before and after, and I can tell you the people who have used the product themselves. I can say I've seen like I've read like 10 people with real products, and out of 10, 8 of them are happy. Two of them are not happy. Now, what I know is a product can be good for everybody. Now, disclaimer: I'm not really marketing this product. I'm not afraid to them, and I myself have no poll, so you may have to do other maybe researches. But what I can say, when you check the swimming pool communities on Facebook, I can tell you like some people who have bought the product are really happy, and some others I can say out of these people, most of the people who haven't bought the product were against it. Okay, but people who have bought it, 80% of them were happy about this product. So I can't really say single scoop is scam, because when you search online, you realize actually some people are happy with it. All right. So that's what I can say. But it's really a cool thing. I don't think it's really perfect for everybody, but when you read online, they can say it's actually good for different types of swimming pools, chlorine, salt water, bromine, all of them. Okay. And what I can say is one thing which I can really say is which is constant in everyone say is the customer care that they have. These guys have good customer care, and this is a premium service, so it's not the same price as other chemicals that you use in your local store. Okay, this is a bit pricey, but I think because it's pricey because it comes with, maybe they have good customer care, and they also offer pool support if you need it. That's what I can say is constant everywhere. Okay, So that's what I can say. I'm not really getting any commission from this guy, so I'm not really going to share any link. I just wanted to say what I found from Facebook groups. You can just say search simple scoop complaints in Facebook. You realize actually most of them are not really complaints. Most of them are actually compliments. Okay. See you in the next video. Let me know what you think about simple scoop. If you bought it, let me know how it went. But generally, the product is actually, I think it's fair. Okay. It has some bad complaints, but it also has a lot of good compliments. See you in the next video, and bye bye.